morning, volleyball fans. Are you now ready to witness our fourth game here in the men's division in the Western Conference of the Governors Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026? Because our fourth game is the battle between the municipality of Lingayen having 5-2 standing versus municipality of Anda having 5-3 standing. So both teams came from a sweet victory from their last game. Kaya volleyball fans, we expect an intense and all-out effort from the both teams dahil for sure parehong teams ay gustong makuha ang panalo. Kaya naman volleyball fans, sabay-sabay natin abangan kung paano nga ba sila naghanda mula sa kanilang floor defense, blockings, powerful attacks, and good receives. Kaya volleyball fans, just keep watching here in our YouTube channel. And we will be together be witnessing our fourth game in the men's division. Again, this is Samantha De Guzman, your courtside reporter. Back to Miss Victoria and Mr. Joseph.
Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Sam. Welcome back to the live coverage of the Governor Ramon V. Gica III Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference, live from the Narciso Ramos Sports and Civic Center here in Lingayen, Pangasinan. To all our viewers watching online and everyone here inside the venue, thank you for continuing to support the tournament and our Pangasinense athletes. Before we get into this exciting matchup, we would like to once again acknowledge our beloved Governor Ramon Monmon Bigico III for making this tournament possible and for his continued commitment to sports development. And this is our game 4 for men's division this Sunday evening. It is Team Lingayen versus Team Anda. Both teams coming off victories, so confidence will certainly be high on both sides of the net. So this is the kind of matchup where every point matters. So let's see.
Jata Cruz for the first serve. Patrick. That is not over. First point will go to Team Lingayen. Diata Cruz. Javier. David. That is outside.
Season, si set para kay David, andun si Celso. Lander, itataas ang bola, free ball for Team Lingayen. Season, running Custudio, and he gets a point. Serving, Season.
Celso. Lander to Patrick. That is out. Point for Team Lingayen. Season. Celso receives that one. Free ball ibibigay dito para sa Team Lingayen. Season. To Manuel is blocked. With the stare down. on Patrick Camba. Patrick serving. Season. Good ball.
They are contesting that call dahil 4 touches daw, but let's wait for the official call. And the point will stay with Team Lingayen.
Custodio serving. Patrick receives that one. Lander to Celso. That is off the block of Manuel. Neil.
Yata Cruz will set it to David, but that is too long for the captain. Deadlock at 4. Neil, Season to Manuel. And that is a swipe point for Team Lingayen.
David now serving. Lander 1-2 play. Season chases that one. Jata Cruz gagawa ng paraan. Celso couldn't get through it. Point for Team Lingayen.
David. Lander is set para kay Celso, and point for Team Anda. Lander. Misreceived by David is set para kay Manuel, and niyang libero. Lander to Celso. That is too wide. Manuel. Received by Patrick is set para kay Javier. And error. Attack error for Javier.
Manuel. That is a service error there for Team Lingayen. Celso. Season to Diata Cruz. Patrick. Labrador is there but couldn't handle that one.
Deadlock again at 8. Season. We set it to Quezon. Javier. Yata Cruz. Season is set ulit kay Yata Cruz. Good save. Lander to Javier. And that is outside. No check ball.
Serving jersey number 1, Quezon. Lander to the middle. Jata Cruz ginawa ng paraan. Lander to Patrick. Point for Team Manda. Deadlock at 9.
Kaalim. Season is set para kay Beata Cruz and he gets to score for Team Lingayen.
Patrick gets that point. Deadlock once again at 10. Javier, short serve. Custodio ginawa ng paraan. Javier sets it to Patrick. Season to the bid. Deflected. The bid. Gets that point. Season now serving. It will sail out. Patrick. Labrador receives that one. Manuel will push a pre-ball. Lander to Neil. That won't go through. Point will go for Team Lingayen. Custodio.
Good serve. Lander is set para kay Celso. David for Manuel. He is blocked. Neil. Season combination para kay Manuel and point for Team Lingayen.
David now serving. Lander to Celso. Blocked. Point for Team Lingayen. And Anda will call for time.
2-point lead. Too strong on that serve. On the service zone, Lander. And palitan lang po tayo dito ng service error.
Manuel serving. Lander. Javier pushes that one but touches the antenna. Point for Team Lingayen.
Serving, Manuel. Good reception, Lander to the middle, and Kaalim gets the point. Serving 16.
Celso. Season to Quezon. We have a substitution here.
Substitution.
Lomboy in. Quezon out. Lomboy will do serving duties.
And a service ace for jersey number 4.
Serving. Lomboy. Lander. To Javier kinaliwa.
This is a 5-point lead for Team Lingayen. 19 serving 14.
Lomboy. Lander. To Patrick. That is inside.
Kaalim. Regalo. Labrador isiset para kay Diata Cruz. And he finds a corner of Zone 5. Nasa 20-point mark na po tayo ng ating first set.
Lander to Patrick. Deflected. Jata Cruz is there. Season sets it to the bid of speed. Manto sets it to Patrick. Season to Custodio. Lander to Patrick. Jata Cruz is there. Loria to the bid.
And that is inside. And Team Anda will use their final timeout this first set. 6-point lead for Team Lingayen.
You're still watching the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 here at the Alaminos City. Check that Narciso Ramos Sports and Civic Center. This is the game between Anda and Lingayen. Point. That point is for Team Anda. Season to Custodio off the block.
Substitution. Babalik na dito si Celso. Season who set it to David. Drop ball on the new libero. Net para kay Celso. Season to Manuel. There's a check ball.
Babalik dito si Quezon. Custodio. Celso chases that one. Free ball ibibigay dito sa Team Lingayen. Season. Combination play. Custodio serving. Lander sets it to Celso. Hindi pa po tapos. Sabi ni Celso.
18 serving 24. Received by Labrador. Season set para kay Manuel. Blocked. Free ball for Team Anda. Lander to Celso. Good ball. To Celso again, but Labrador couldn't handle that. A powerful spike coming from Celso.
Season to Manuel. That will go out. Neil serving. Season. Back sets to the bid. Jata Cruz sends it to the bid. Celso. Labrador is there. Season. And the bid. That is wide. Down to a 3-point lead here. Manuel ginawa ng paraan, but timeout will be called for Team Lingayen.
Season backs it to David. Doug. Season to David again. Drop ball. Andun si Lander. Kaalim will set it to Celso. And first set goes to Team Lingayen. 25-22. You're still watching the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference. It is set to po ng ating Game 4 for Men's Division. Lingayen and Anda. Lander will set it to Celso na si Inugasio. Gloria ibibigay kay Manuel. Dug by Lander. Kaalim. And there's a check, so point for Team Anda. Inugasio backs at the Layug. Block. 2, serving 1. Inugasio isa-set para kay Manuel, blocked. Costudio. Layog will send it over. Lander to Patrick, and another score for Team Anda. Good reception, Costudio from the middle. Patrick, hindi na maitatawid ang bola, so that's a point for Team Lingayen. Serving, Costudio. Lander to Patrick, deflected, and pinabawi kaagad doon si Patrick. So, 2-point lead. Serving, Kaalim. Inugasio, quick set to Quezon, and point for player number 1. Layog. And a service ace for Layog. Received by Celso. Lander to Neil. Masyadong mababa. Attack error. So, another point for Team Lingayen. Lander to Patrick, and that is off the block. Deadlock at 5. Javier. Inugasio, one-hand set to Quezon. Hinabol ni Lander to Patrick, deflected. Inugasio gets the first ball. Labrador will play setter. Lander to Patrick, pushes that one. Andun si Layog. Inugasio to Diata Cruz. That is wide. Lamang na po ng isa ang Team Anda.
Manuel serves. Lander to Patrick. Good ball. Inugasio to Quezon. Quezon receives that one. Diata Cruz ginawa ng paraan, but that will sail out. Point for Team Anda. Lead is now with Team Lingayen. Patrick. Layug sets it to Diata Cruz. Off speed. Lander to Celso. Labrador is there, but couldn't handle it. Two-point lead here for Team Anda. Inugasio to Quezon. Point there for jersey number 1. You are watching the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference here at the Narciso Ramos Sports and Civic Center. This is the game between Team Lingayen and Team Anda. This is the set number 2 of game number 4 of the men's division. Lander sets it to Celso. Inogasio to Diata Cruz is blocked. Inogasio to Custodio gets the point. Substitution here. Torio in. Neil Kamba out. Quezon serving. Lander to Torio. That is low. Point for Team Lingayen. Now has the advantage. Quezon. Lander to Celso is blocked. Coverage is there. Celso. Deadlock here at 9. Torio. Service error for Team Anda. Diata Cruz serving. Lander sets it to Celso. Gets the point.
Deadlock at 10. Lander. Inogasio 1-2. And then yung libero, Celso, soft touch. Inogasio, Dulayog. Kaalim, Javier na 1-2, but error for player number 14. Serving 10. Lander to Javier, blocked, self-cover. Javier will give a free ball. Inogasio to Manuel. Andun si Lander Kaalim. Isiset para kay Celso and he is rejected. And tatawagin ang team captain. Lingayen. Timeout. Team Anda. You're still watching the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference here live at the Narciso Ramos Sports and Civic Center here in Lingayen, Pangasinan. Nasa second set na po tayo. 13 serving 10. Lander to Javier. And then si Layo, Ginogasio to Costudio. Javier was there to Celso, and he is blocked again. Substitution here for Team Anda. Javier out, Manto in.